Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiren Rijiju met Chief Minister Okram Iwobi, demands the state government to end the economic blockade. Commerce Industries Minister Govind Das Konthojam says the biggest trade cum permanent exhibition centre in Manipur will be ready by March next year. Miscreants burns down District Child Protection Office under Ukhrul Mini Secretariat and the DC office of newly inaugurated Kamjong District. Goodwill Mission for Peaceful Coexistence to meet the representatives of the United Naga Council UNC in Senapati tomorrow. Coordinating Committee Kurai appeals the Imphal East District Magistrate to suspend the curfew imposed from Lamlong to Yangon-Pokpi and Pangai areas. And defending champion Neroka FC trusts Assam Regimental Centre Silong 5-1 to win the 60th CC meet. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiren Rijiju has landed in Imphal today to take stock of the current crisis in Manipur. He landed in the Imphal International Airport around 10:30 this morning. He was received by the Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, Suresh Babu, and other top officials. Rijiju took part in the high-level security meet chaired by the Chief Minister Okram Iwobi at the CM's Secretariat in Babupara. Chief Secretary and top officials of the state and central police forces also attend the meet. Later in a press meet, Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiren Rijiju has demanded the Manipur government to end the economic blockade by UNC at the earliest. He said steps should be taken up from now or from tomorrow to end the blockade. He also assured all help from the centre. He made his statement at a press meet in Old Secretariat. Rijiju further said the blockade by UNC has caused immense hardships to the people of the state. The minister said he has met with the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and top police officials regarding the matter. He said additional security forces are being deployed to safeguard the national highways and many more are on their way. It is a responsibility of the state government to maintain the law and order of the state. Centre has kept a close eye on the events unfolding in Manipur and it will provide all the assistance needed to contain the situation. On the recent twin ambush on Imphal More Road by the suspected NSC and IM cadres, Kiren Rijiju said the centre is not aware of any illegal act carried out, then that actions will be taken if ground rules are not followed.
People of Manipur should not suffer further because of economic blockade. Road blockade is unacceptable and this must be made through at any cost. There is no provision in the Constitution where central government can deploy or take action on our own without the consultation or without the demand being made by the state government. Our forces are at the disposal of the state government and they can use it in whatever befitting manner they feel. The state government has to ensure that there is no further road blockade, and for that the support will be given by us.
Amuko, UCM and 60-odd organizations from both the Hill and Valley have come together to form Joint Forum for Peace Manipur. They resolved to urge the state and central governments to bring about a lasting solution to the current imbroglio in the state and to carry out various agitations under the forum. As a first step, the forum held a public meeting today at the community hall of Keshampat Laimacham Laikai, and they also submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister and Union government urging them to resolve the crisis. President of Amuko, P.H. Deban, said the forum was created for different communities of the hills and valley to go hand in hand when both the state and the central governments has remained a mute spectator to the current crisis of Manipur.
Manipur government da akoi memorandum ama pijagani aduga central government da India government da amaga pijagani aduga akoi gi awaba singa se masida mijeng changbiyo haiba wafam jine akoi na thamjari karigumba hairiba akoi gi wafam singa si tabidragadi akoi Manipur da lairiba singjina lengak tagi akoi miyam singje kanba ngamaroi aduna akoi isana akoi gi punsi se kanjana na ba akoi phirep loba mathau tare haiba wakhalon se masi thamaganda akoi anauba step mathang changjana na ba sem sajare haiba wafam se thamjare.
Wangkai ex-MLA and BJP member Y. Irabod stated that he would resign if the centre had really directed the state government to release the UNC leaders. Speaking to media persons at his residence, he said representatives of BJP met Union Home Minister and other ministers on the blockade issue and clarified that there is no question of the centre asking the state government to release the UNC leaders. He also clarified that the framework agreement signed between the centre and NSC and IM does not affect Ukhrul and Senapati. He said the centre has deployed additional paramilitary forces and the state government should not remain silent on the indefinite economic blockade. He blamed the state government of not providing proper weapon to the security personnel posted at hill districts.
Let anybody, A and I, B and I, no. You go in I, no, I know. What do I say? We talk about it. Yaudina, with a high degree. State government, central government, part of even singing Tatu and a high me. What is it? High dinner, high man, high grade, or could you hire me? There's a man is in the people, I'm to resign, tender my resignation. Hey, more high than soon target. They should put that. And she is answered with the Prasada.
Coordinating Committee, a body of clubs and Mairapaibis of Kurai areas, has appealed to Imphal East District Magistrate to suspend the curfew imposed from Lamlong to Yangampopi and Pangai areas. It may be mentioned that the curfew has been imposed in the wake of an incident in Kurai Haikru Makong on the 18th of this month against the economic blockade by UNC. Speaking to media persons at Lamlong, spokesperson of the committee, Thoiding Jombon, said the curfew has caused hardships to the people of the area, especially the students and the employees. He appealed the authority to take appropriate actions in this regard. Bond also appealed the UNC to end the blockade to let people from the hill celebrate Christmas peacefully. On the other hand, he blamed the students' body of the hill for spreading rumor that people from the hill were assaulted in Kurai Haikru Makong incident. Bond said there were no such incidents and that the people were safely escorted home by the people of Kurai. He appealed to not spread such rumor to cause tensions between the two communities.
Lambi Anishida Ladiba, Kogi Mahiroi Singh, aduga akoigi government thabak tawba aduga private tawba thabak tawba sing asida awaba pirapa maramna haidiba kaino sing asi authokpiu khuni demand tawjaribadi haidiba curfew si khudakta lokthokpiu aduga Christmas yawbo ngamnaba UNC na Christian sing asi Christmas yawbo ngamnaba akoigi khudakta sinbiu makoina demand torko matamda akoida economic blockade toraga akoida wahan banina akoina awaba oibanina haidiba kaino yanaba matamda akoisu yawgadabani.
Chief Minister Ukram Ibobi has expressed that new districts have been formed on administrative ground, not on communal lines, and that more districts would be formed. Speaking at the political conference of 6 assembly constituencies in Churachandpur, the Chief Minister said Congress government is based on secularism and does not have communal bias. He said the government is working to develop the far-flung hilly areas of the state. He also appealed to have unity among the different communities living in the state. MPCC President Tien Haukip, Deputy CM Gekhangam and Congress MLAs attended a conference organized by District Congress Committee Churachandpur at Tuibong Peace Ground.
Singda district mapan hangtok pase noina yaman gir hai yambu yamde watli bani akhoi mathang hanga khidori bani watli bani huji mahang da hangtur gadi infrastructure yaudraba main power yaudraba lambi si easy accessible oidragadi government sing ngaurabra hairkanena maramdi district ama hangba matamda district level की department mayam से की horticulture खंगदे PWD खंगदे power खंगदे water all department mayam से की infrastructure सेमगत बतावा.
Unidentified miscreants torched District Child Protection Office under Ukhrul Mini Secretariat Office and the DC office of newly inaugurated Kamjong District. The two incidents took place this morning around 2. According to the sources, about 10 unidentified persons torched a common room, furniture and other objects including computer of the District Protection Child Office, Ukhrul Mini Secretariat. An FIR has been lodged at Ukhrul Police, while the office of the Kamjong DC has been burnt beyond repair. The reason for the incidents are not yet known, but there is an apprehension of its connection with the current issues in the state. Trusted by the Manipur government, Goodwill Mission for Peaceful Coexistence will meet with the representatives of the United Naga Council UNC in Senapati tomorrow. It may be mentioned that members of various communities held a meeting at Khairamban Bazaar to discuss on the current unrest in the state and had submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister and requested him to talk to UNC to resolve the issue. As a second initiative, Goodwill Mission held a meeting of the Christian leaders and church leaders at the conference hall of MBC, Chingmairong today. They resolved to support all actions taken to bring back peace and harmony in the state. Speaking to media persons, Secretary of the mission, Asang Kasar, said they are happy with the positive response by the government in bringing about a lasting solution to the current imbroglio in the state. He also appealed to the people of the state to help in all endeavors by the Goodwill Mission to bring peace in the state.
Manipur se amata nungsina amaga sakhangnaраga khoi hana leibukumna nungsinabakumna leiningai gi tamakta khonthang se changsari honari masigi process asigi manungda karigumba ama gi pamdaba thodok aduga unwanted accident kari asikumba thoktaningai mayamna nungsibiduna khanthabiduna akhoi Goodwill Mission chathariba seda mission aseda support tawbiduna cooperation pibiduna yamna igna chigna shanti oina leiminasi haibase yamna Luna, aikoigi Goodwill Mission gi maikedi hana praja mayambu appeal tawjabani.
Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
World-class interventional cardiology at Sky Hospital. World-class interventional cardiology at Sky Hospital. Performing non-operative closure of hole in heart and RF ablation. Don't delay. Hurry for consultation with Chief Cardiologist Dr. L. Shamkishore for hole closure, RF ablation, coronary angioplasty requirement and other procedures like pacemaker, ICD, CRT, combo angiogram are also available. Hurry for advance booking to avoid disappointment. Free charge for BPL families.
Northeast India Development Party Manipur Punna Kundamina Yelhomi Singh Hamja Naraba Tawai Miril Singh Aramba Korang Pumuko Hanabagi Choba Todang Lozanabaki Iran the Manipur Yelhomi Singh Tawai Miril Singh Tana Semjaba Party ni Maramasina Isagi Mamayam Vodo do NEIDP Mihut Singh the Pina Iram the Masiki Tungi Fire Isana Lep Janabik Dam Touch Java Tanjadu Lobu NEIDP Mamayam Lavamiang Matabomi Kukara Tangai for the Lojaba Dungi Matambu Ikai Kumna Buchari Masina Kogi Puari Nakupuna Kutsana Donaning Singh but Hokra Matamagi Laklaba Ekogi Puari William Tatapuari Masem Lase Kangan Zariba President Northeast India Development Party Sagol Bantera Laukrakom Lekai Imphal West.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. District Magistrate Imphal West has imposed curfew in Imphal West from 9 p.m. tonight till 4 a.m. of December 24th. In his order, the District Magistrate said the order shall not apply to government agencies involved in enforcement of law and order, other essential services and accredited media persons. General Secretary of BJP Minority Morcha Imphal East, Mastan Salam, has termed the statements of Ahmad Kashmi in a Congress political conference held on 21st of this month in Andhra constituency that BJP government looks down upon the Muslims of India as baseless. Addressing a press meet today, he further said BJP does not involve in these tactics and appealed the people to not believe in such false statement. Mastan said cow slaughter was banned by the Congress government and Narendra Modi has not given any written statement to ban cow slaughter. Babri Masjid was destroyed during the rule of Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao. He also demanded Andhra MLA Shyam Kumar to repay the rights of minorities he misused.
Maruaina Andhra Kendragi Muslim Singbu Lana Pauthok Piduna Lamjing Biribasi Andhra Kendragi Muslim Singna Thaja Basulaite MLA Shyam Kumarna Minority Muslim Gi Lauthok Tuna Amasung Lutauduna Magi Wakar Singa Manaraga Chakriba Karor Helaba Paisa Mayamasi Akaknava Amagi Manungda Mana Praza Mayam the Yentoktava Taragadi Andhra Muslim Organization Kayagi Punchilaga Central Government da Aikoina Suchoi Soidana Wakat Laga Mahak Pucherak Pihangani.
Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Konthocham has promised to complete the renovation of the biggest thread cum permanent exhibition center in Manipur located at Lamboi Khongnangkhong by March next year. He made this statement to the media after inspecting the renovation work today. He further said it will cost about 200 crores to complete the project. Many people have finished training in this apparel training center and have been placed at various private companies. He said a mini open theatre with a capacity of 700 people and an open air theatre with a capacity of 8,000 people will also be constructed. Govinda said when the facility is ready, Sangai Festival can be hosted here. On the other hand, the minister said the ICP in Moreh will be ready by March next year and formal trading with Myanmar will begin. Govindas Konthocham inspected the site for exhibition hall, wall and open air theatre. He said the work has been delayed because of the unnatural rain from early part of the year and burns and blockades. He said the complex, which will be the largest exhibition cum thread center in the northeast, will have several facilities including multiplex. Officials of Commerce and Industries and editors of the print and electronic media also took part in the inspection.
Ban blockade aduga nong tabasi nong su hibang matamsi angak papangna nong si handaki sidi koi March tagi adum leptana tabaduna November gi first week pawda nong tabasi koi mem su thengna bigre aduna su maram oiraga akoi kumsi gi Sangai festival si honorable chief minister na yamna interest labiraga so koi mafam sida pangthok pai koi singam jakhidaban 2014 gi September October adai dagi koi hawbane na lawi adu maru oina koi na matam khitanga changrisi 400 piling ekoi tawe mafam sida adu loisin magi targeting asai na haijabado by March 2017 phawda de koi loibang amne na thajaba leje ekoi da.
Two Chinese hand grenades with detonators were found at the complex of CAF and PD department, Sangai Pro. They have been safely deposited by a team of State Bomb Detection and Disposal Squad at a dumping area in Lamphel. The bomb was found at about 12:30 this afternoon. As a precautionary measures, no one was allowed to enter the campus. Even the journalists were stopped by the security personnel. Lamphel police has taken up a case in this regard. On the other hand, CAF and PD employees union have vehemently condemned the placing of Chinese hand grenades at their campus. In the press release, the union appealed to not repeat such acts in the future. They further stated that a rally will be carried out tomorrow at 10 a.m. against the act. Fourth, that anniversary of late Thangjam Dejumani, also known as Nanao, was observed today. Mention may be made that Nanao, a journalist, was shot dead by the police while covering an incident at Thangmaiban Chairao Chingkong in 2012. Floral tributes were paid in Thangmaiban Chairao Ching Thak, where the last rites were performed since early morning today. MLA of Thamaiban, K.H. Joy Kishan, friends and families of Nanao and many journalists also paid tributes. Speaking on the occasion, President of Naharo Leishemba Club, Pradeep said work will begin at the earliest to install a memorial at the site with the help of MLA Joy Kishan.
Paumisingi Legidrabasingidamata Mongpamama, Mapamama, when Mapamsida Naharo Leishemba Club, Hoigi Honorable Emily Sumasi Sabiraniana, Hoi Piramavani, who's usually architect, Todana, Hoigi, Madugi drawing, process the lady, but who Matam Naharo Leishemba Club now, like Tivoto, Lebakidamata. One way, Amasaruka, and Saliba Pomisi, the young Kanda, away and Elsinasu, Ambatakta, Honarakanda, Masi Miamda, Wanavagi, Saktamado, two Honagan.
A workshop on pre-primary education and its significance in the implementation of Right to Education Act 2009 was held today at Imphal Educare, Kwakathel, Konthojam Lekai. Teachers and parents of Imphal Educare, Vision Kids and other pre-primary schools attended the event. The workshop also discussed the importance of implementing free and compulsory education in the preschool. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization distributed rice, potatoes and other edible items to Nungai Muslims who were affected by the issues between two communities on the 14th of this month. President of the organization, Abdullah Pathan, said, amid the hardships faced by the people due to the UNC's economic blockade, it is unfortunate that there were problems between the Muslims and Meiteis of Nungai. He suspected foul play of certain individuals for the rift and appealed to not indulge in these acts in the future. Abdullah said he is against the silence maintained by the local MLA and the state government regarding the issue. Had the local MLA and the state government intervened on time, these could have been avoided. He appealed both the communities to not repeat this in the future.
Matam kaya tagi nuksisanan lai minari ba sauru monu deiba laikai ani stile community singse masina nuksinhan naba sinba masangi adun masina maram oirakanda lamda masin laibiri ba maitei amasung maitei pangal singna rumor sandopi gano masin laikai amna thokpa thodok ni laikai gi thodok ni maitei amasung maitei pangal gi thodok nate haba jai thamjini kana ko masing sida maitei pangal gi adu gi ada gi rumor makan makan sandoga hairiba laikai amagi issue se mafam sing se pakthok khari khari sandorap ba se masi yam thattabane Manipur ki sumla ba luraba tan pham sida haidi yam luraba chiraba tan ja se economy blockade ki hana leiramiba adugumna nungsi chanan leiminanaba aikoi mase honase.
Muslim Council Manipur appealed not to make the Nungai Khul issue a state issue. The organization in a press note appealed to end the enmity and blame game among the Meitei and the Meitei Pangal living in the village and asked the authority to punish the culprits. Minuthong Social Welfare Union facilitated Education Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar for upgrading Minuthong Fazia Junior High Madrasa to High Madrasa. The facilitation was organized in association with the Minuthong Fazia High School Management Committee at the school complex. Education as Commissioner Moirangthim Lakshmi Kumar and Director N. Pravin attended the function. In sports, Neroka FC Sangakpam lifted the 16th Sir Jurachan Singh KCSI CB Memorial Football Tournament trophy and a set of record by winning the tournament 6 times. In the final match played today at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium, Neroka FC Sangakpam trounced Assam Regimental Centre Shillong 5-1. As Subhas netted 2 goals in the 64th and the 82nd minute, while Ijugo Chinedu Emmanuel, C.H. Sushil Kumar and T.H. Johnson netted 3 goals for the champion. W. Rojan netted a lone goal for Assam Regimental Centre Shillong. 22 teams, including 2 teams from outside the state, competed in the tournament organized under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association.
Ping masan
Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiren Rijiju meets Chief Minister Okram Ibobi, demands the state government to end the economic blockade. Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Kontojam says the biggest trade cum permanent exhibition centre in Manipur will be ready by March next year. Miscreants burned down District Child Protection Office under Ukhrul Mini Secretariat and the DC office of newly inaugurated Kamjong District. Goodwill Mission for Peaceful Coexistence to meet representatives of the United Naga Council, UNC in Senapati tomorrow. Coordinating Committee Kurai appeals the Imphal East District Magistrate to suspend the curfew imposed from Lamlong to Yangang-Phokpi and Pangai areas. And defending champion Neruka FC Trust Assam Regimental Centre Shillong 5-1 to win the 16th meet.